Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace a grease filter in your canopy vent hood, rotate the access panel down and depress the lever to release the retaining clips to remove the old filter. Install the new grease filter by aligning the rear tabs with the slots in the frame. Then depress the retaining clip lever, position the filter, then release the lever. We recommend replacing both grease filters at the same time. With the filters in place, rotate the access panel up, snap it into position, and the vent hood should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.